And time to check the weather now. And as we heard, intense rainfall continues to hammer the Golden Sunshine Coast. There are also flood warnings for the Nerang and Coomera rivers and the Mooloolaba River. But a severe weather warning for the Wide Bay and Burnett has now been cancelled. The slow-moving rain cell, which had hovered over the region before beginning to track further north today towards the Sunshine Coast, has caused widespread flooding. Since Christmas Day, though, on the Gold Coast, it's endured more than half a metre of rain. Intense rainfall continued across the flood watch area during today, and there will be falls into Wednesday before we're told it'll push offshore later tomorrow, but flood warnings are set to continue. But when you look at the maximums in the northwest, it's been dry. Urandangi, for example, recording a top of 43, 42 for Birdsville. Even in the Maranoa, it was a hot day with a high of 40 degrees. Along the coast, temperatures hovered in the low 30s. Now, Brisbane was a lot cooler at 24 degrees, with humidity high, though, around 86%, so still pretty muggy. Ipswich reached 26, Gold Coast 25 and Redland 23. Now, the satellite showing the moist cloud mass that brought the deluge to the southeast. While things have eased slightly in northern New South Wales, there are also a few embedded thunderstorms over parts of South Australia, Western Australia and Western Victoria. On the chart, troughs are continuing to trigger heavy showers and storms for eastern Queensland and also down in Victoria's south. But there is still a lot of heat up north, with severe extreme heat wave conditions now declared. Now, interstate, looking around the country tomorrow. Canberra stormy and 28, similar weather for Melbourne 29, partly cloudy for Sydney, Adelaide and Perth. Alice is hot and dry at 43, Darwin 34 with a storm pending. Photo-wise, we wanted to share this amazing image from Larelle showing a storm front and sunset over the Leichhardt Range southwest of Ayr. And lots of colour here with Nature's Light Show ahead of the New Year's Eve fireworks we just enjoyed at South Bank. Thanks so much, Petter. Keep them coming. Looking to the north tomorrow, rain falling on the peninsula and Gulf country, while the lingering wet will continue to dampen the coast from the tropical north right down to Capricornia. Inland, those hot and dry conditions will push the mercury up to 47 in Birdsville, storms and 39 for Thargomindah, and partly cloudy day from St Lawrence right down to Miles. On the Downs, Dalby sunny standout, a top of 33, partly cloudy for the rest of the region, 34 in Gayndah, while along the coast the troughs will continue to bring some rain. Brisbane, just a 30% chance of showers, possible thunderstorm too with a high of 31, 32 for Ipswich and Beaudesert. Logan, we will expect a top of 31. On the Bay, let's look at the showers are possible, winds south to southeasterly 15 to 20 knots, reaching up to 25 knots in the early morning, seas around 1/2 metre. And looking ahead, gloomy outlook continues for both Brisbane and for Ipswich. And that is all the news for the moment. Thanks so much for your company. We'll keep you up to date on our website, but for now, take care. Good night.